Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are studying about the meta tags and their impact on the search engines and what is meta tag, like that we are studying today. Before start to see my videos, please subscribe my channel. In today time I need your support. Meta tags are invisible and tags that are provided data about your page to search the engine and website visitors. Means meta tags like information to give the information about the pages to the search engine or to the website, because of if you something you have searched or put in a search box, go to the browser, then the search engine are ready to start the searching, right? So that time that meta tags are helps to the search engine to search or find the pages to the website visitor. And normally meta tags are not visible to the user, that meta tags are only visible to the search engine. And meta tags are snippets of text that describe the page content. The meta tag don't appear on the page itself, but only in the page's source code. The meta tags don't appear on the page because of when you get some display means information or reply or feedback from the browser, that time you get some display, right? So the time the meta tag are actually not appear but itself, but the only the in the page's source code it will be appear. And the meta tags are essentially a little content description that help tell the search engine what web page is about. Means meta tags are always telling to search engine for if what is this page going to tell you, like that a meta tag tells the information to the search engine. Meta tags only exist in HTML only, because of usually at the head of a page, and so are only visible to the search engine. I told you before, meta tags are only exist in HTML, not JavaScript and other languages, and that are only written in the head part, and then only visible to the search engine, not to the user. The meta stands for the meta data, which is the kind of data. These tags provide the data about the data on your page. Don't get confused. If I get something like see, assume this is the some result which I assume like once again, see, this is the browser. If I search something in this box, uh, uh, like this, I search like this in this I get like this, assume that I get like this result, right? So this is the data. For this region, we have to write like how to write the audio, like I search something, right? So once again, so the meta tags are usually tell through the about that pages, what is in that page. And the meta tag stands for the meta, which means the kind of data. The tags provide the data about the data on your pages. Means that the data all are which are there in these pages, this is all provided by understand by that meta tag to the browser, then only we understand or we get that result. So I hope you understand now. And next one is metadata is used by browser how to display the content or reload the page. Search engines and other web services, means meta tags are used by the browser, search engines and other web services by the to display how to display the content and reload, like that, right? I told you before with the example also. So these are some browser which support to the meta tags, and those are Chrome and Microsoft, means and Safari and Apple, and another one is Opera. So these are some browser which support to the meta tags. These are some attributes which we include in the meta tags. So first one is the char set and content and HTTP key and name. The value of that character set text, and these are some values of that. if the chassis is displayed, that tells the means that tells the specific character encoding for the HTML document. And if they display the content text, like then that display the specific value associated with the HTTP or name attribute. So like that, these are some attributes having their description while in creating or writing the meta in a header part. Some defined keywords for the search engine. If these are some keywords for the search engine, meta name is equal to keywords and content is equal to HTML, CS, JavaScript. So the name and content, these are the some attributes while using the writing meta. And define the description of your web pages. That time we use the meta name is called description, and content is called to pre-web tutorial for the HTML, CSS. And if you help to or display the author of the page, that time meta name is called to author, content is called to DO. If you want to display the document every 30 seconds, like that time meta HTTP equal is equal to refresh and content is equal to 30. And setting the viewport to make your website look good on all devices, and that time use the meta name is equal to viewport and content is equal to width, device is equal to width, and initial serial. Like that, see, there are some meta tags while using in the creating web pages to understand the what is the concept we have to display in the web pages to the search engine. So setting viewport are the viewport is the user visible area of the page, and it varies with the device. It will be smaller on the mobile phone, and then on computer will be on this computer screen. Means the viewport is visible to us because of I think this is the screen, right? I'm seeing some information or I'm reading some, right? So this is the viewport area. This area is vary to different devices. If I have on mobile, like this mobile, they are having small screen with compared to the laptop having the more screen. So and compared to the tab, the laptop is having more screen, and tab is having the more area screen than mobile. Like that, the viewport is different to the different for different devices. Okay, and we should include the following meta elements in your all your web pages to set the viewport to all screen. And meta name viewport, content width, device width is equal to device width, initial scale is equal to 1.0. So we include this one. That screen will be, or that phase will be visible on all the devices which scale is greater than or equal to 1.0. So means the content is like it width. So width is maybe width is device width. How much is width device width, that is compatible to the means that tells to the compatible to the screen. Like that, the meta tag is going to tell. And this gives the browser instruction on how to control the page dimension and scaling. Before I told you meta tag controlling the instruction or dimension or scaling, like that, right? So meta tag gives the how to control our instruction and page the dimension and scaling, like that. The width is equal to device width. FATS sets the width of the pages up to follow the screen width of device, means which will vary depending on the devices, because of the different device having different screen, right? So if you write like this, that will be means compatible with the LED screen. If see, I will show you what is the result of meta tags when we use it in writing the web pages. If you are not using the meta tags while writing the HTML code, like that, will be screen will be look like this. So if in this time we are not using the meta tags, if we use the meta tags when like creating or writing the course, that time the result will be like this, right? So if you use the meta tag, then result will be also very with very quantity and very good quantity, like that. So this is the helpful of meta tags. And these are some meta tag keywords. The meta tag list out of keywords you are targeting on the pages. This is no longer used for the ranking and search ranking, but the search engine spider are smart enough to figure out what the page is about, and you no longer need to add the keywords. And adding the keywords in the meta tag only benefits your competitors, since it make it easy to reverse engineer engineer your search marketing strategy. So these are some keywords, meta keywords, how it will be helpful. So like that, I hope you understand very well. Again, I telling to please subscribe my channel, please help me. Thank you.